I just spooked a giant bear. Scared the crap out of me. Luckily he ran because I didn't see him. I was 20 yards from him. Hopefully he's gone. Jesus. Which is funny because I moved over into this shade over here because I was gonna look down this road and make sure there was no bears on the road before I headed down a little farther. And I just started walking over here into the shade, and boom, he just bolted out of here. Oh man. Found out what that bear was on. Holy shit. Pretty fresh. Can't tell if that was cut with a knife. Looks pretty clean where that front shoulder is missing. Probably not, but gross. It's not even stinky yet. It's barely bloated. Big cow. Wonder if she was ready to drop a calf. Oh well, I'm gonna get out of here. Sure looks like that was cut off with a knife. Why would they just take one front shoulder though? That's so weird. Oh no, that's the front shoulder and that's the other one, and it's been buried up, so big cat or that bear. Yikes. Neat.